G'day mates, ready to explore some of the most stunning beaches down under? We're talking golden sands, turquoise waters, waves that'll make your heart sing, the whole shebang. Whether you're a seasoned surfer chasing that perfect barrel or just keen to soak up some rays and work on your tan, Australia's got a slice of paradise with your name on it. So slap on some sunscreen, grab your boardies, and let's dive into Australia's best beaches. First up, we have the legendary Bondi Beach. Picture this. Golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see, turquoise waves crashing on the shore, and bronzed Aussies strutting their stuff. This place is buzzing, mates. You've got surfers carving up the waves, families building sandcastles, backpackers soaking up the sun. It's a melting pot of good vibes and epic scenery. And the best part? Bondi's not just a pretty face. We're talking trendy cafes, buzzing bars, and restaurants serving up some of the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. Trust me, you'll be hard-pressed to find a more iconic Aussie experience. Speaking of iconic, you can't go to Bondi without hitting the Icebergs pool. This place is straight out of a postcard, an ocean pool perched right on the cliffs, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Whether you fancy a dip or just want to snap a few pics for the gram, it's an absolute must-do. But wait, there's more. Take a stroll along the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk and prepare to have your mind blown. This 6-kilometer path winds past some of the most breathtaking coastal scenery you can imagine. Think towering cliffs, hidden coves, and panoramic ocean views that'll leave you speechless. So there you have it, mates. Bondi Beach, where the surf's up, the vibes are high, and the good times never end. Next up, we're heading north to the Whitsunday Islands, home to the breathtaking Whitehaven Beach. Now, I've seen a lot of beaches in my time, but let me tell you, this one is truly special. Imagine pure white silica sand so fine, it squeaks between your toes, and water so clear and turquoise, it looks like it belongs in a dream. Seriously, mates, this place is like stepping onto a postcard. The sand is so white it almost hurts your eyes, and the water is so inviting, you'll want to dive straight in. Speaking of diving, the Great Barrier Reef is just a stone's throw away, so pack your snorkel and get ready to explore an underwater wonderland teeming with colorful coral and marine life. But the beauty of Whitehaven Beach isn't just skin deep. This pristine paradise is protected as part of the Whitsunday Islands National Park, so you know it's the real deal. No crowds, no development, just pure, unadulterated nature at its finest. So how do you get to this slice of heaven, you ask? Well, you can hop on a scenic flight and witness the beauty of the Whitsundays from above. Trust me, the views are unforgettable. Or if you're feeling adventurous, charter a yacht and explore the islands at your own pace. Just imagine dropping anchor in a secluded cove, diving into the crystal clear water and having this tropical paradise all to yourself. Whitehaven Beach. It's not just a beach, it's an experience. Last but not least, we're heading west to Broome and the iconic Cable Beach. This place is like something out of a movie. Think rugged red cliffs contrasting with the sparkling turquoise water and sunsets so spectacular, they'll take your breath away. But Cable Beach is more than just a pretty face. It's got this laid-back, almost spiritual vibe that's hard to describe. Maybe it's the ancient history embedded in the land, or maybe it's the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. But there's something truly magical about this place. Now, you can't come to Cable Beach without experiencing the camel rides. Picture this. You, me, and a trusty camel strolling along the beach as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's an experience you won't soon forget. And when the sun goes down, the fun doesn't stop. Broome is known for its outdoor cinemas, so grab some popcorn, cuddle up under the stars, and enjoy a movie night with a difference. But the real magic of Cable Beach lies in its simplicity. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, reconnect with nature, and just be present in the moment. So what are you waiting for? Grab your mates, pack your bags, and head to Cable Beach for an unforgettable Aussie adventure. There you have it, mates. Australia's best beaches waiting for you to explore. So pack your sunscreen and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. From the iconic surf of Bondi to the pristine paradise of Whitehaven and the magical sunsets of Cable Beach, Australia's coastline has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your swimmers, chuck on a hat, and I'll see you at the beach.